All right, good morning, everybody. How we doing out there? Hopefully, everybody had a great evening. Pretty decent yesterday. I don't know, bought a couple dips, got shorts, bought a dip. Just go, all right? Um, yeah, I was pretty happy with that. About 800 bucks or almost $900 each account. Um, but only traded the evals because just that range was so scary. It was so scary. Let's see. Anything else? I don't know. So I thought I made a short yesterday, but apparently I didn't. And I double posted it in videos, and I don't know. It's so embarrassing, right? So embarrassing. As a, YouTube mega influencer, I'm not allowed to make mistakes. That would be ludicrous. Definitely going to give it a few minutes out of the gate. There was definitely a moment there that if it opened on the high, like it's opening right now, you wanted to short the crap out of it. And I don't know. Okay, I think that's our ding ding ding. Yep, just short the crap out of it. Oh, darn it. Shucky darn. Shucky darn. So let's see what else is going on, guys. Okay, everybody. Okay, everybody. Do, 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 do. Thanks for the little kisses, buddy. Appreciate it. get you a blanket. Sarah, take the blanket. She might have. What a sweet little puppy. Won't lay down unless he's got his little blankie. Oh man, what kind of kids are we making? Okay, well, let's see here. Another 7 minutes in, I guess. Apparently, there's not enough light in my office, maybe? I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see me or not. Alright, I'm kind of getting excited here. This might be a pretty decent wash. Why do I always talk like I'm talking to my dog? It's gotta be really annoying. It certainly annoys me. Oh, what's that? It doesn't go up forever. Just giving it some time, letting it do its thing. Don't have to trade, you know, right out of the gates. You know, yesterday, I didn't trade for quite a few hours, honestly. But that first trade was here. Hey, where's my cross? Where's my crosshairs? So weird. our range. $3.50. Quite honestly, I would like a pull down to here. I think that kind of makes sense. Clean out all the hope, right? All the enthusiastic buyers, clean them all out, and then we'll get into the dips. Alright, the stock to keep your eye on today is going to be NAOV. If anybody's trading stocks, as most of the stuff for a runner. Low float, lots of volume, earnings, news or something. Ooh-wee. Let's go. Not looking to buy anything, but want to see how big. Okay, well that's interesting. That took about 4 or 5 seconds for that order to get placed. Wonder if we need to restart the old quant. Here, hold on a second, guys. I'm gonna do that. Like I said, just gonna do a little restart. No, I don't have data. And I still don't get why I get this notice. I don't have any volume analysis enabled anywhere. Grinding higher. Grinding higher. Just enough to suck everyone in, maybe. Is it a dip buy or is it a wash? Well, it might be a wash. Holy moly, holy moly.
sell side. Press release now, blue study and scientific journal cancer cell support sell side strategy to seek early approval for multi-keen and head and neck cancer based on pre-surgical tumor responses. That's Charlie Victor Michael. CVM.
Okay. Let's think about this. I think we just are grinding higher. It's pretty obvious, honestly. But fortunately, unfortunately, I kind of have a guideline of, you know, avoiding trades up here and avoiding trades down here. So might be a no trade day. Got to get something on our master accounts. Got to just get going. Gotta push the button here. You know what? We haven't even looked at the news. Woo! Sorry about that, guys. Let's look at the news, shall we? What's new in Chrome? Great. Appreciate it. Thank you. Hey, Miramar, how are you this amazing morning? Trying to get going. I'm still, I don't know, waking up, I guess. Okay, so it looks like we do have some news around noon. 1 o'clock is a 3-year note auction, and then we got FOMC. Dally speaks. So not much news left. Doesn't look like there's much news this morning. NFIB small business optimism is a little bit negative. So, I don't know. Canadian PMI here actually in a minute. But all right, he's still working those two master accounts or PA accounts, Miramar. Hopefully getting closer, getting closer. Probably going to be a pretty decent recovery today. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to get any trades in or not. This is, you know, try to avoid that upper quarter and the bottom quarter. And if we just, you know, grind higher, I'm going to probably not get anything. It's all right, though. It's all right. Slowly but surely. That's right. Yeah. Honestly, all we can do is just grind it out. Grind it out.
S&P futures near the highs now, up about 182. NASDAQ is up 684. Dow is up, Dow futures up 1336. Crude up 57 cents now, $61.28. Gold is up $55 at 38.50. Bitcoin up 1,700 at 79.
So, I don't know. You know, part of trading is waiting for a setup. That's part of the deal. Probably gonna give it another, I don't know, 30 minutes or so, then bug out. It's
BLUENOX popping here, 1368, up 355%. That's November Alpha Oscar Victor.
Holy moly. Whew.
So, Miramar, are you still using, I think it was a moving average crossover or something like that? Still same strategy? Made it better? Made it worse? It's just so choppy. It's so choppy. Definitely don't want to get stuck in that updraft. But I also think it's a kind of a short here, which is a bad decision because the the market's going to be very bullish until it recovers from that nastiness yesterday. So the right play is definitely on dips. Yeah, I kind of thought so right there. Yeah, different modes we do it in. We got to be nimble and adapt and all that stuff. I think that's the hardest thing to do, is to be consistent with whatever it is that we're doing. Having the discipline to stick to the rules, or what have you. All right. Should have got something going by now, but we're not. So I've given myself more freedom to do a couple of other strategies. It's been a bit better. Excellent. Just more tools in the toolbox, right? Let's go. Let's go. I think the problem with my strategy, or I should say,
one of the things that I would like to get better at is trend trading. My strategy is definitely more like price action, and certainly the fib levels are important to me, but price action is a predominant variable in my system or strategy or whatever. And I just wish I knew how to like join a trend. It seems like every time I try to get in a trend, I instantly get stopped out. It would be like entering here on this breakout, oh, right there, yeah, it's gonna break out, make another leg, and like instantly, bam, out. Um, yeah, that's why I'm so scared of trend trading. It would be like that one, same thing, right? You buy the breakout, and you'd instantly be red. So there's probably an edge there, right? Just take the other side, take the other side. And then join in the dips on the trend. Same thing, like I always pick the wrong dip. So absolutely, just so many fake outs. You know, this whole thing is just a crazy brain twist. SPY's starting to look a little weak to me. Might get a fairly decent pullback here. You know, that's hope right there. I hope we get a pretty decent pullback.
JNBR, Jennifer shares Zoomy trade clear 27%. Juliet, November, Victor, Romeo, JNBR.
Big boy. Good morning. Good morning, puppy. What you doing, big boy? Huh? What you doing, big boy? Just sleeping, making sure you're touching me.
maybe that's a sign, huh? Alright, well, I was about to give up anyways. Miramar, thank you for swinging by. I certainly appreciate it. I'm just going to shut it down. Not sure what happened, but no, and we're back. Either way, I'm not going to get any trades up at high a day. Just don't know how to join the trend, and we're not getting a very decent washout. So I will reclaim my 20 minutes and get out of here. Hope you have a great day. Keep it green. Yeah, see you tomorrow.